If you received a CorelDRAW license from us with your membership, this is your guide. We here at Corel Trainer only offer Corel licenses to our students who are pursuing training and support with us. We are not Corel Corporation, though we do work very closely with them. The 2024 Graphics Suite licenses are referred to as PE or perpetual licenses. They are identical in functionality to the forever or one-time purchase licenses that Corel Corporation offers on their website. They include CorelDRAW, Corel Photo Paint, Corel Capture, and Corel Font Manager. These Corels will install and update for the one version year that it is associated with. They will not update to the next version of CorelDRAW when released, typically in March each year. For those updates to be automatically included, you must purchase a CorelDRAW subscription version from them directly. Corel Trainer systems are completely compatible with both Corel's perpetual and subscription versions, so we'd be happy to help you with whichever version you choose. You will notice a disclaimer in the upper left corner of your Corel version from us. Don't worry, as Corel Corporation has been very aware that CorelTrainer.com clients use these licenses to print, cut, embroider, etc., and have done so for many years. From the link provided in your instructional install PDF or on the flash drive, download and then run the CorelDRAW installer. Allow the app to make changes to your device. This download may take up to 20 minutes depending on your internet connection. You will then be prompted to enter your Corel.com email address on line 1 and your serial number on line 2. It is easiest to just copy-paste this number from your original purchase email from us. Then click Next. You'll be prompted to choose Typical Installation. Then, after the installer runs for a few more minutes, you'll need to scroll to the bottom of the agreement window to be able to click on Agree. You will then be prompted to sign in to your Corel.com account. This is not the same as your CorelTrainer.com account. If you do not have a Corel.com account, create one by choosing this option, then entering your email address exactly, then just a few more steps to follow after that. If you do have a Corel.com account, enter your password with them on the next page, click Continue, and then Finish. You're all done with CorelDRAW itself. You'll be able to see your CorelDRAW serial number when you log in with them. Next, you'll want to install your training plugins from us.